Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create a single or multiple table without using table option in Microsoft Word. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Word software. Now most people, what they will do to create a table, they will just click on this insert option and they will just select this table option and they will just select this search in order to create or add a table on the respective Microsoft Word. So we are not going to use this table. So what you need to do is just type here plus and put a dash symbol. Once again put a plus. Now if we hit enter, now you can see here we have finally created a single table, right? So if you want to resize it, then you can see here one square box icon appearing at the bottom. You can just place your mouse cursor and once you see this arrow icon, you can just drag it to adjust the size of your respective table size. So this is a single table. So if you want to create a multiple table, then once again just add a dash and add a plus again and hit enter. Now it will create a two table. So you can keep adding more in order to create a multiple table. So let me add few more dash and plus symbols to create multiple tables. Now you can see we have created a multiple table. Now just drag it in order to adjust the size. Now if you want to create more table at the bottom, then you can just see here, just place your mouse cursor just below to it and now you can see here plus icon, just click on it. Now you can create or copy multiple tables. So by using this method, you can easily create a single or multiple table without using table option in Microsoft Word very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.